Hello, everyone. Welcome back to BioInfo Tips. Today, we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you as we delve into the world of statistics. In this video, we'll be mastering the art of performing a paired t-test using SPSS. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just someone curious about statistical analysis, this tutorial is for you. So, let's not waste any time and jump right in. Before we get our hands dirty with SPSS, let's quickly understand what a paired t-test is. A paired t-test is a statistical method used to determine if there's a significant difference between the means of two related groups. In our case, these groups are paired or matched in some way. This could be the same group measured at two different times or two related groups in an experimental setting. It's crucial to know when to use a paired t-test. We typically use it when we're dealing with dependent or matched samples. For example, before and after measurements, repeated measures on the same individuals, or matched pairs in an experiment. Now, let's dive into SPSS and see how we can perform a paired t-test. Now that we have our data loaded, let's set up our variables. Identify the variables representing the paired measurements. In SPSS, go to the variable view and make sure your variables are correctly defined with the appropriate measurement levels. This step is crucial for accurate analysis, so take your time to ensure everything is set up correctly. With our variables set up, we should first check the distribution of our data for both variables through the Shapiro-Wilks test as well as the histogram visualization. Since our data is normally distributed, it's time to run the paired t-test. Navigate to Analysis, Compare Means Paired Samples t-test. In the dialog box, select the paired variables. SPSS will automatically calculate the t-value, degrees of freedom, and p-value for you. Remember, a smaller p-value indicates a more significant result. So, keep an eye out for that. Once SPSS has performed the analysis, it's time to interpret the results. Pay attention to the t-value, degrees of freedom, and the all-important p-value. If the p-value is less than your chosen significance level, often 0.5, you can reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there's a significant difference between the paired groups. And there you have it. You've successfully performed a paired t-test using SPSS. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more statistical insights and SPSS tutorials. If you have any questions or want to suggest topics for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.